Growing up eating right is the key to good health. Cooking for Baby and Me is your go-to source for healthy, delicious recipes that are chef-created and pediatrician approved.
Today's featured ingredient is blueberries.
So that little berry, right, this little tiny berry here has so much good stuff in it, it packs a lot of punch for this. So you're getting a ton of vitamins, more than I can even list, but I think the important concept is what does all those things do for you?
With kids, you try to just take ingredients they know and just little variations on them.
I love that about the show and what you're doing, Chef, to help us all eat a little healthier. And this is one if you're serving it to an older child. They don't know that's carrot.
Right.
You know, so sneaking it in a little bit, and if you have a child who's a little finicky about...
I have to do a lot of sneaking at home.
We fully endorse that in pediatrics.
How are we doing over there, Jennifer?
I think we're doing awesome.
Doing good?
My
okay.
immune system feels healthier just being near the oranges.
Perfect.
I love that we're using some fresh oranges here and fresh juice, because instead of that glass of processed orange juice that you might give your child, just give them the fresh fruit.
I mean, I remember my mom and my grandma making this for us, you know, just a Saturday afternoon. It was like, okay, let's make the ceviche.
But I know what you're talking about is, you know, food as a family tradition, food as memories, food as something you can pass on to your children into generations.
Absolutely, and that's the beauty of cooking, and the beauty of cooking with friends and family.
If you like what you just watched, please donate and support PBS 39, a community that is inspired, engaged, and vibrant.